let's get to know the Oase Eco Expert pumps. These top-of-the-line brushless DC pumps come in a couple of flavors. The Aquamax versions, designed to pick up and pass debris to a pond filter, and the Aquarius versions, like the Aquarius Eco Expert we have here, special-purpose pumps designed for use with decorative fountain nozzles. The Aquarius is configured out of the box to sit on the bottom of a fountain and discharge vertically, but like all Eco Expert pumps, features an intake screen that can be rotated to realign the discharge, or removed completely to be used inline, with the pump plumbed outside the water feature. Oase pumps are powerful, economical, and safe, renowned for moving thousands of gallons per hour for a few hundred watts. A proprietary grounding plate built into every Oase pump carries stray electrical current from any source safely to ground. And for even greater peace of mind, there are low voltage models as well. Of the 3 models of Aquarius Eco Expert pumps, 2 are 220 volts, the 7300 and the 11500, and 1 is low voltage, the 5300 12 volt, which uses a 120 volt to 12 volt transformer. The box has all the information needed to specify the right pump, with sizes, capacities, and voltage information clearly displayed. Inside, an extensive manual covers installation, maintenance, and troubleshooting, with clear illustrations and text in multiple languages. The fitting set covers both submersed and external installations, with barbed union fittings from 1.5 up to 2.5 inches for kink-free tubing, and the versatile 1.5 or 2-inch Schedule 40 adapter for flexible PVC pipe. Because the Aquarius line are dedicated fountain pumps that are often used with fixed manifolds feeding multiple nozzles, the unions allow the pump to be removed without disturbing the fountain nozzles. The pump itself is impressively large, with a handle at the center of gravity to make it easy to lift for service. The stainless steel intake screen keeps all debris larger than 3/16 of an inch or 5 millimeters from entering the system to keep fountain nozzles from constantly clogging. The Aquarius Eco Expert is a smart pump featuring the Oase environmental function control that shuts the pump down in case of blockage or low water level. It's designed to withstand freezing down to minus 20 degrees centigrade, that's 4 degrees below 0 Fahrenheit, without damage. The built-in dynamic function control delivers a pre-programmed sequence of varying flows that creates a dancing fountain effect at the touch of a blue button on the pump. Connect the pump to an optional Oase control module to access 11 other scenes via the local Eco Control for on-site control at the module itself, or from anywhere through the Oase Garden Cloud Controller, which links to the house Wi-Fi. The ports at the rear of the pump accept the cables needed to link to the modules. Download the Oase Control application from the App Store or Play Store to vary the pump's output from 0 to 100% flow instantly, as well as control all other pump functions. Monitor and control other Oase devices also, including pond filters and lighting blocks, up to 10 total on your favorite mobile device via the Oase Control app. And that's everything you ever wanted to know about the Aquarius Eco Expert fountain pumps, but were afraid to ask. Check out the installation and maintenance videos for more information on these cutting-edge pumps. You'll find those videos and many more on our YouTube channel and website. Don't forget to like, follow, and share us on social media. See you in the next video.